Michael Todd explained why Vitaly Leletin will be a problem even on the right arm for Devon Larratt. In the previous video, we discussed something that Artyom Morozov said, which made many of us believe that it's not going to be an easy day for Devon even on the right arm. Vitaly can still beat him. Now we will discuss something similar that Michael Todd said. Actually, a couple of things. First one is, Michael didn't expect Vitaly's grip to be so strong that he would just clamp on his hand and wouldn't let him climb at all. And when Michael arm wrestles, he arm wrestles like his whole life depends on climbing. And he wasn't able to do that. Devon is not really a huge fan of climbing when he's arm wrestling, although he was the one who said ABC, always be climbing. But you will rarely see him do that, at least recently. We saw that in the Georgy Svetkov match, but he was climbing just to get to his neutral position. He wasn't climbing to get on top of Georgy's fingers. Whenever his hand would slide down because of Georgy's pronation and his rise, that's when Devon would slightly climb to come back to the original position. Nothing more than that. In the Levan Saginashvili match, Devon couldn't even think about climbing. Levan's grip was so solid, his fingers were clamped so hard onto Devon's hand, climbing was not an option. So we can safely say that climbing is not going to be an option against Vitaly Leletin too. Vitaly's grip is much stronger than Levan. Whether his press is also stronger than Levan or not, that we'll have to wait and see. Devon is definitely going to take Vitaly's wrist, but in that process, he may lose his own wrist too. He definitely will not have any cupping. At best, he can maintain a flat wrist. From that position, he will only be left with pronation and nothing else. And the second thing which Michael mentioned is, Vitaly had to lower his arm just to get a fair grip against Michael. It's because his forearm is much longer than Michael's. That won't be the case in the Devon match. With Devon, Vitaly won't have to drop his arm, he won't have to drop his hand down. So he can maintain his post. And because of that, Michael believes that Devon may not be able to stop Vitaly in the center like Michael Todd did. Even though that's what most people are saying, that if Michael can take Vitaly's wrist in the center, Devon will do that too. But Michael doesn't believe that. I mean, he didn't say that it won't happen, but there is a possibility that it won't happen. Michael also said that he has arm wrestled both of these guys and both are extremely strong. Vitaly is probably the best pure top roller in the super heavyweight division. He's super explosive, he's super fast, and he's probably having the strongest squeezing strength as far as anyone is concerned. But Devon is also on a completely different level now. He is the favorite in Michael's mind. It's a 65-35% difference. So the difference is big. Michael clearly thinks that Devon is going to be victorious. But there is another problem for Devon, as per Michael Todd. And it is going to be Vitaly's press reach. He can reach anywhere on the table and press you from there without his shoulder crossing the center. And I also think that it is more likely that we get to see Devon's shoulder dropping below the elbow pad before we see Vitaly's shoulder crossing the center line. Although if the match is close, they both will be very close to fouling positions at the same time. Let's see who wins this one. Use code Pradeep to purchase the East vs West 23 pay-per-view. I'll see you again.